friends, welcome back to another gameplay video and you are happy there. So as you know that before some days hackers have increased in Mac Arena. Yes, if you have not heard, listen here. Hackers have increased in Mac Arena. Yes, so I am requesting you, please don't try to learn hack, because if you learn hack, there will be no fun playing this game. Example that after in the previous account, after so much effort, I bought Mac. Now if some hacker comes in my match and he kills he or she kills you continuous, then what will you think that after so much effort and then I have to receive this. So I know the process, but I will not hack, and I will not tell the process also, because I know that if I will tell you all, my friends will try to search it. So I will not tell. And if you think that you are too clever that you will find from Google, but that is not. I know it, but don't think that you will if I tell it, you are searching Google. No, you cannot search in Google that its name was script type. If you type it, you will not get in Google any search engine. Well, it fully depends on you. So please don't try hacking. Please, I beg your pardon. Don't try hacking. Don't try hacking. But if you try hacking, there will be no fun in this Mac Arena. If it continues, Mac Arena's end is very, very near. And I also mailed the name. I also mailed the what I will say, yes, I also made the Plarium arena.plarium. They told that please enter the ID. So if you find any ID, please if you find any IDs, please tell me at pappyad45@gmail.com, or you can directly mail at .arena support. You can also mail it at .arena support. .arena support plarium.com type equals. So please don't try to do hacking. I'm beg your pardon. So this video was in this also. So please stop hacking. But if you love this game now, if you get all things the first one, then there will be no use. There will be no use, because there will be no use, and indirectly our game will get destroyed. Because if you tell that I've unlocked this, no one will believe that you have unlocked from your own effort. Everyone will got the MVP. This didn't got for a shock. I bought it. That's why I only got this MVP. So I'm telling you, please stop. If you love Mech and if you want to play, then please stop hacking. So till up to this, if you have liked this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So goodbye.